Welcome to Learn Funnel System, where I teach you SystemeioTutorial for free. In this video, we are going to learn how to actually delete a sales funnel. I have seen people having confusion with this simple step. So I thought, why not just do a video so that it may help people who don't know actually how to delete a sales funnel or any funnels. For that, all you need to do is go to the funnel section where you can see the funnels that's listed here. And all you have to do is go to this three dot button. And when you hover it, you will see all these options. Just click on the delete option and click on confirm, and your funnel will be removed. So that's how easy it is to actually remove the sales funnel. If you liked it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below, like if you need any other videos that you need help with. I'll be happy to make a video for you.